Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking to declutter your entryway? Well, you need to try this 4-tier rack for your shoes. I totally appreciate that this shoe rack is narrow enough to be hidden away in the hallway closet. Having limited space and small closet space is definitely a problem that's solved with this shoe rack. And I also appreciate that it is easy to put together and just also as easy to take apart if you need to. Don't let its narrowness deceive you. Even though it's narrow, it has a lot of storage space, as you can see here with the office supplies in this closet. And the bottom fits right nicely into another part of the closet. I like that this shoe rack is customizable for everyday use. So reclaim your entryway with the shoe rack of your dreams, or split them and use it for your office supplies. You'll love these. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.